This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
So now I'm going to talk about how this course is structured. Now this course is broken up into 6 different sections. And right now you're in the first section, which is the introduction. After the introduction, I'm going to move into philosophy. And philosophy is extremely important in copywriting. And it has to do with what I mentioned earlier, which is customers don't care about you, they care about themselves. But there's also a lot of other factors of philosophy that go behind copywriting. And when you learn these philosophies, you're going to see a lot of the world in a completely different way. And it's going to be really empowering for you. After we talk about the philosophy behind copywriting, we're going to go over headlines. And this is what makes an effective headline. Now, when it comes to copywriting, your headline is actually more important than your body copy. And that's because if your headline doesn't grab your reader's attention, then the rest of your words are pointless because they're not going to click to check it out. And actually, most of the famous copywriters spend more time writing a great headline than they do writing the entire body copy. So that's going to be a really interesting section for you. And after we talk about headlines, we're going to get into body copy. And even though body copy isn't as important as headlines, it's still really important. And you're going to learn how to write effective body copy. And we're going to start out that section by talking about AIDA, which is a sales formula that once you learn about it, you're going to see it everywhere. After body copy, we're going to get into technical stuff, which is just how to format your copy to make it more readable. And finally, we'll get to the conclusion where we'll review everything we've learned, and I'll point you to some really great resources if you want to continue learning more about copywriting.